Hello, this is Taj Tires. I've got a BMW 3 Series here on an F30 F31. Just going to show you how to replace this, the power socket, cigarette lighter, fuse, because this one's not working. If I switch the ignition on, see this ignition on, and there's no light coming on, so that means either. It's quite a simple procedure on this one. If I get a car. All you're going to need is a 10mm spanner or something just to twist these, turn these little screws right here. So if I turn it to my left, all of them, and then you got this little lug here. So if I lift this up, gently remove it. Once I removed it, just going to switch the lights on. I then remove this cover right here. That's the fuse box. So you've got the fuse box out now. To see which one it is, I know I've already seen it on auto data. It's this third one right here, which is the 20 amp fuse, but I will show you on the auto data as well. So I'm just going to show you here. As you can see right there, that's the power socket auxiliary, and then it's the F20, which is right here. And this model here, if you're not too sure about it, then this F30, F31, it's 2012 to 2019. We'll just show you how to replace it now. I'm going to need nose plier, because usually you would have a fuse remover, which is always located in here, but this one hasn't got it. So I'm just going to grab a nose plier. So if I grab a nose plier and then remove that one there gently. Once I've got it out, I'll show you exactly what I mean. As you can see right there, that one there is blown. Got the new one out. That one's perfectly fine. So if I push it back in, make sure it's pushed in right. I then check it. Now as you can see, the light's on now. So if I take this out, put it back on, that's on, just to check.
Time reset. Please calibrate by connecting to your mobile phone.
That's it. That's all you got to do on your one. This one's working now. If there is anything else you need to know, we do have a playlist for BMW. So you've got all sorts in there, like how to replace a bulb, to check tire pressures, and now you've got a fuse in there as well. That's it. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Anything else you need to know, do let us know, please. We will try helping you as much as we can. Thank you. Goodbye.